So glad you came, Diana. Are you ready to have your face melted off?
Ah, this must be another of your world of man sayings. In that case, yes. Proceed to melt my face. Kara, it appears we have entered a demon pit. We have? Then these people have been possessed by Hades himself. We must act! You agree? Then we must masquerade as demons ourselves. Go!
Yeah! This is what I live for!
Greetings, fellow adolescents. Are you enjoying having your faces melted as I am? Listen, young man, I understand that you are possessed by the Lord of the Underworld, but that sort of behavior is entirely uncalled for. Release these people from your fiery grip, Hades! You are a worthy foe? I am worthier! By the power of Zeus!
Diana, what are you doing?
I am simply liberating these people from Hades' grip, as was our plan. Was that not our plan? I may have misunderstood our plan.
Diana, that was awesome!
Gnarly mosh pit, brah!
Oh, a moshing pit, not a demon pit.